Good morning, everyone. It's August 4th of 2025. The last video showed you how I prepare for the week by marking my levels with drawing sets and how I trade around them using the extended hours on the 160-minute chart. But now let's talk about how we prepare for the month. Now, whenever we get a new month, basically everything resets right here for this candle. And we want to know immediately what goes two up, two down, or three. And the easiest way to do that is by going into our scan right here. And we're going to go to our personal. And let's go to Phil's basket. And let's sort by the month right here. So look at all these inside bars right here. Look at all these ones. Look at that. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. We're going to keep going, 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 going. And we don't even get down to a good trade or possible until we get right here. And this is Pfizer. Now what's interesting is that all these stocks from Pfizer all the way down to, and you guys can slow the video down, all the way down to here, this TTWO, these have already committed two down. So the only possible scenario that can play out for the month is a three, right? Because it can only be a 1, 2, or 3. Well, one's been eliminated, and the moment you tell me that you want to go lower, this is what we're after, the 2D. Now, because all these fired at once to the downside, and matter of fact, I did that wrong. It's all the way down here to Groupon down here. You can see that I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stocks left that went two up for the month. That's it. Everything else has to play out with a 3 if they're going to take it higher. So because we know which ones have already fired to the downside, we can focus on the TTO and taking it short on a 160 or on a day. Now, the ones that fired two up, we can focus on the TTO and try to trade those back up higher. But keep in mind that 90% or 80% of the stocks follow the general direction of the market. And there's not a lot here, guys. There's not a lot. That's what I wanted to point out to you in this video. There's not a lot of good stuff set up right now. And if we come over here, let's just look at this because I know some of you are visual people. Let's go to our watch list here. And let's customize this and let's take the day out and let's put the month in here. Okay? The month. Month. I think I got it as MO. No, month. We'll just do it here. I got it. It's somewhere in here, I promise. There it is, MO. The month. Let's sort this by the month now. And let's get rid of the 2x10 because that doesn't matter to us. All we care about now, let's get rid of this too because we don't care about the pre-market. Let's go here and let's just sort this by the month. See, am I lying? Look at all these ones right here. Let's see if this is true. And let's just focus on this time frame right here, the month. Look, inside, 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 inside. You get the point. So we're 4 days into the month, and now we want to know which ones are moving to the high. And you can see right here, WEC. But look, we're trying to take out the previous high of 111, and we did by 7 cents. So now I'll be watching to see if this fails and comes back through, or if we push higher. Excel, same thing. Look, we took out previous high right here, both sides, and now if they want to, they can run this to 77.66 in that area. So if you want to go long this name, what you're looking for is a TTO on this time frame right here, and look right there, TTO, boom. And you would have traded this back up to previous high, or you're looking for an entry on the 160. But let's focus on the month again because we don't have a lot of them that went two up. Black Hills, another company, 212, a very thin company, but it could get back up to here. Just a great dividend play. That's why I play that one. Reddit. Reddit is fairly strong. You can see it's gapping up to 190, 112. This must have been an earnings play, but this is a 222 continuation right here. And if the market cooperates, I could see Reddit getting back up to 230, 41. Yeah, you heard it here. It can do it. So how do you gain an entry or get an entry on that? Well, you had your entry right here on the 212 on the gap up right here, and as some of you would say, this is still good because we hit the target right here on the day, we hit a second target right here on the day, and now you're just waiting for this to sit down here and give you an entry to possibly go back up to these previous highs. That's all I see, guys. There's not a lot out here. If you're trading to the downside, oh, one more, net. Net is another one. You see how I put a 3 in here and we went 2 up, almost all-time highs. Net still can go to 221.64 here. So you're just waiting for an entry here. But you really have to ask yourself, is this worth chasing to possibly go up to here if the market's going to possibly sell off or correct? I don't know. We don't know which one it's going to do. So you just need to be patient. Let's look at Groupon for a possible short, and look right there for the month. We went 212 right down to target, which is 29.39, and look, we're right there. So what can happen here? Well, we could continue to come down to the 10 here. We could continue to fail and trigger this 222 reversal on the quarter. Anything is possible here, but just understand this is a long ways to go. But that doesn't mean that we can't get there, because look, they ran it all the way into earnings. That's what they do, guys. Here was a nice earnings play, and it ran, and then they were done with it here, and they just left it. That's it. I hope this video helps you see the big picture. That's how I prepare for the month, and I'm telling you right now, guys, there isn't a lot set up for the month, so take that to heart. All right, if you have any questions, please comment below. If you are doing this alone and you're confused, please come and join us in the Discord server. We'd love to help you. And until we meet again, take care and God bless.